Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different type of things, different type of animals, different type of food and many other things. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubasir Ramesh from Mahdi School. So today we continue our lesson number 8, food for health, and our today's topic is fair book exercise. So in this lesson we learn about different type of food, different sources of food and many other things about food. Today we continue this lesson with fair book exercise. So today we do other fair book exercise. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line that you can't live a positive life with a negative mind. It means if you think positive, you get everything positive. But if you think negative, that you don't do this, you can't solve this problem and many other things, so you cannot live positively with negative mind. If you think good, you live good life. If you think negative, then everything happen with you negative. So because of your negative mind, you don't get positive life. So you can't live a positive life with a negative mind. So with this beautiful line, let's start our today's lecture. As you know that which lesson is continue? This lesson is about food. So what is name of our lesson? You can see on your screen different type of food. Some food which we get from plants, some food which we get from animals. So here you can see the picture of food which we get from plants and animals. So this lesson is about food. So our lesson number 8 is food for health. What is name of this lesson? Name of this lesson is food for health. So let's start our today's lecture. We continue lesson number 8. Before we start our today's topic, first we revise. So we quickly revise what we learn in this lesson. We learn in this lesson about food, two sources of food, animals and plants. We learn about why we need food, that food gives us energy and gives strength to fight against different type of disease. Then we learn that we get food from plants like cereals, vegetables, pulses and fruits and oil and many other things. And new thing we learn about food in this lesson is animals give us food. So animals give us meat like goat, sheep, cow and buffalo. Also this animal, goat, sheep, cow and buffalo give us milk. Then animals like duck and hen give us eggs. So you can understand that some food we get from plants and some food we get from animals. So we learn in this lesson about two sources of food, which are the plants and animals. Then we learn about milk products. Products which we made from milk, we called them milk products. So which are milk products? Butter, ghee, curd, buttermilk, cheese, yogurt, cream, and many other things like paneer. All these are milk products which are healthy for our body. They give us energy, and because of that, our bones and muscles will be good. So milk products are one of the healthy food. So all these things we learn in this lesson. Then we learn about healthy food and unhealthy food. So we learn that fruits, vegetables, meat, milk all are healthy food, when we learn that food like chips, sweets, candies all are unhealthy food. So grow healthy, you must eat healthy food. If you eat unhealthy food, then what happen with you? You fall ill. You get cold and many other diseases. So if you want to grow healthy, you must eat healthy food. So as we learn in this lesson about healthy food, that healthy food help us to grow healthy and give us energy. So with this quick revision, let's start what we learned in previous lecture. So yesterday we revised lesson number 8 and we write hard words, right? So we first revise hard words and fill in the blanks, then we start our today's exercise. So first we write hard words, right? So let's quickly revise what we learned in previous lecture. So first hard word we learned in previous lecture, food, FOOD. So we learn all these hard words with picture. So here you can see the picture of food, in which you can see veg food and non-veg food, and you can see most of the item which we are eating or drinking. You can see black coffee, milk, juice, fruits, vegetables, bread, butter and chicken. These all things we are eating. So these all are food. Grow, then we learn in lesson number 2 and we learn in lesson number 3 that plants are growing and living things are growing. So we all are living things. So what is meaning of grow? GROW, grow. Here you can see the picture of one girl which is growing. It means small to elder. So that's why we called it grow, GROW. Then sources. So we learn in this lesson 2 sources of food, right? One is plant and second is animal. So what is the spelling of sources? SOURCES. Sources means the thing which we get from particular thing. It is sources. So we learn about 2 sources of food, which are the plants and animals. Some food we get from plants and some food we get from animals. Then eggs. Eggs we all eat in morning in breakfast. As we know that many animals lay egg, but we are only eating eggs of duck and hen. So we learn about food from animals and we get eggs from animals. So white color eggs you can see brown color eggs also, right? So these all are eggs. Meat, MEAT, meat which we get from animals. It is one of the healthy food. We get meat from chicken, goat, cow and buffalo. So we mostly eat our meat from animals like cow, goat, sheep and buffalo, and hen also give us meat and eggs, right? So this is meat. Then fish. In this lesson we learn that we are eating meat of fish. So here you can see the picture of cooked fish, right? So in lesson number 5 and 6 we learn about fish, which is one of the animal, and in lesson number 8 we learn that we are eating meat of fish. That's why I put here picture of cooked fish. So you can understand that we are eating fish. Then cheese. Cheese is one of the milk product which we are using in pizza and sandwiches, right? So you all like cheese. We learn about milk products, that cheese we made from. So when you eat pizza and there is no cheese, then you don't like pizza. So cheese is one of the healthy food and we are using it in different type of dishes. Then curd, again it is one of the milk product which we are made from milk. You can see here white color curd. Ghee is again milk product which we are using spread on chapatis and parathas, right? We are making many sweet dishes with use of ghee. So that's why ghee is one of the important food for sweet which our mother made in our house, right? So ghee, butter, You all know about butter because you all are eating butter and jam sandwich, so you can understand that what is butter. Here you can see the yellow color butter. If you made butter at home, the color of butter is white. So homemade butter is in white color, right? So this is butter. Overeat means you eat food more than your need. So when you eat food more than your need, it is overeat. Here you can see that one girl is eating food, and you can see that 3 burgers and pizza, one in her hand, and you can see that it is overeating. You understand that this girl cannot eat this much food, so that's why we called it overeat, right? Chips, you all know about chips, potato fries, right? So chips, you all are eating 2 or 3 packets in one day, and it is very unhealthy food, right? So it is chips, potato chips, you can see here, unhealthy. So all junk food and many sweets, all are unhealthy food. You can see here pizza, burger, french fries, cold drinks, donuts, ice creams, these all are unhealthy food, right? And meal, as you know that proper meal you must have to take. We take 3 particular meal. So meal means you take particular food on particular time. So here you can see 3 pictures: breakfast, lunch and dinner. So you can understand that what is meal. Then breakfast, food which we take in morning. So first meal of the day, breakfast, we are drinking tea also in breakfast. Lunch, you can see here the picture of proper lunch in which we are taking chapatis. So there is difference between lunch and dinner. And what is this? In lunch we are eating chapatis, in dinner we are eating bhakri, right? So here you can see the picture of lunch and dinner. So now you can understand what is different between lunch and dinner. In lunch we are eating chapatis, in dinner we are eating bhakri. So now you can understand that what is different between lunch and dinner. Dinner is a meal which we are taking at night, right? So this is our hard words. Then yesterday we write fill in the blanks of lesson number 8. So let's see what we write in fill in the blanks. In this, what we have to do? We have 2 options. One option is right and second option is wrong, right? So let's see our first FB. We get dash from plants. So we have 2 pictures here. One picture is about fruits and vegetables and second picture is about milk. So when we see this picture, from these 2 pictures, which one we get from plants? You can see here fruits and vegetables like brinjal and cucumber, potatoes, peas, broccoli. These all are vegetables. So we get vegetables from plant. When we get milk from animals. So we get dash from plants, vegetables or milk? Vegetables, right? So we write here spelling of vegetables. So what is right here? Vegetables. When we get milk from animals like cow, buffalo, goat and sheep. So we learn about fruits and vegetables we get from plant in lesson number 3 and 4. 2 sources of food, which are the animals and plants. Number 2, we get eggs from dash. So we have again 2 options. One option is plants. Here you can see plants and second option is animals, right? So we have 4 animals here: fish, goat, So from these animals, which animal give us eggs? You can see here cow, goat, fish and hen. So we all know that we get eggs from hen. It means we don't get eggs from plants. So what is right answer here? We get eggs from animals. So we write here spelling of animals. So now you can understand that sources of food here, one is plant and animals. So we get eggs from animals, right? Now let's see our third FB. We dash over it, should or should not. So here you can see two pictures in which they are eating more than they need. You can see here the picture of burgers and pizza and many other things which are more than they are eating. It means they are overeating. If you like some food and you are eating again and again, your stomach get pain. So that's why we should overeat or we should not overeat. What is right answer? Yes, should not. So these two pictures both are wrong. Why? Because we should not overeat. Of overeating we fall ill. So that's why we should not overeat. Now let's see what is our fourth FB. Eating dash food help us to grow, healthy and unhealthy. So we have two pictures here. One picture you can see here proper meal in which you can see salad also, sweet dish also, buttermilk, rice and bhakri and many other things. And in second picture you can see chips. So first picture is healthy food and second picture is unhealthy food. So from these two food, which food help us to grow, healthy food or unhealthy food? Yes, healthy food, right? So here we write healthy food, and from these two picture, which is healthy food? The first one. So now you can understand that which food is healthy for you and which food is unhealthy for you, right? So these all things we done in previous lecture. Now let's see what we learn today. Today we learn true or false. So first we learn true or false. So in this we have one sentence. If sentence is right, we write here true, and if sentence is wrong, then we write here false, right? So you can understand what is meaning of true. True means right and false means wrong. So let's start. First, true or false. Number 1, we get eggs from animals, right? So in this lesson we learn about different sources of food and different type of food also, right? So we learn about two sources of food. Which are they? One is plants and second is animal. So let's see the picture from where we get eggs. So we learn about two sources of food, right? One is plants and second is animals. So here you can see the picture from where we get eggs. So we get eggs from hen, and hen is animal. So we get eggs from animals. Is right or wrong? Right answer or wrong answer? Right. Why? Because we get eggs from animals. Animal is one of the sources of food, right? So we learn in this lesson that we get eggs from duck and hen. We also learn that many animals lay eggs, but we are eating only eggs of duck and hen. So we get eggs from animal is right answer. So what we write here? We write here true. Here you can see the picture of hen and eggs. It means animals give us eggs, and we learn that we are eating eggs, omelette or boiled egg in breakfast. So it is one of the healthy food and bodybuilding food. So you must have to eat eggs. It give you energy, right? Now let's see which is our second TF. We should not eat fresh food. Now what is meaning of fresh? fresh means you buy fruits, vegetables, or any food which you can see in front of your eyes, right? It means when you are going to buy vegetables, you see that your mother is check vegetables, it is fresh or not fresh. If you buy potatoes, you can see that if there is potato with black hole or black potatoes, your mother not buy. Why? Because it is not fresh. So here you can see one picture. You can see one lady who is eating bread, and this green color part you can see on bread. It means it is not fresh food, it is stale food. So you can understand that when you see green color part on any food, it means it is not fresh food. So we should not eat fresh food. If you not eat fresh food, you fall ill. So here you can see the stale food. Because of this green part, you fall ill, and the taste of these things also not good. Why? Because it is not fresh food. So we should not eat fresh food is wrong statement. So we write here false. Why? Because we must have to eat fresh food. We are not eating stale food. So we should eat fresh food. So we must have to eat fresh food. So this sentence is wrong, that we should eat not fresh food, right? So let's see what is our next true or false. We get meat from plants. So here you can see the picture of animals which are giving us food. It means we get meat from animals. We are not getting meat from plant. So you can see here cow, goat, hen and fish. These all are giving us meat. So when you see that picture of plants, so you never see meat on plant, right? So when we learn about food from plants, we learn that we get fruits, vegetables and cereals, pulses and oil from plant, right? So it means we get meat from animals, not from plant. So here you can see the picture of 4 animals which are giving us meat. So this sentence we get meat from plant is wrong. Why? Because we get meat from animals. So we write here false. So with this you can understand that some food we get from plants and some food we get from animals, right? So we get meat from plant is wrong statement. Number 4, we take breakfast in morning. So when we are wake up, we are taking food, right? So here you can see the picture of food which we take in breakfast. So in morning we are eating eggs. Some people eat boiled eggs, some people eat fried eggs or bread or chapatis or bhakris, whatever they like. So we take breakfast in morning is right sentence. Why? Because 3 meal of the day, 1 is lunch, 2nd is dinner, 3rd is breakfast. But which meal we are taking in morning? We are taking breakfast in morning, right? So we take breakfast in morning is true statement, right? So when we learn about meal of the day, we learn about 3 meals of the day: lunch, breakfast and dinner. So breakfast is first meal of the day which we take in morning. So here you can see the picture of breakfast which we are taking. So morning we are taking breakfast. Our second question is give one word. So here you can see the picture of what we learned today, give one word. So in this we have to give one word for each, right? So let's see which is our first one word. Morning meal, right? So it means this question is about 3 meal of the day: morning, afternoon and night, right? So which are 3 meals? breakfast, lunch and dinner. So let's see first what we eat in morning. Here you can see the picture of eggs and coffee and breads, right? So morning, boy is waking up. You can see time in clock 7 o'clock. So it means we are eating eggs and coffee and many other things in morning, right? So which is morning meal? First meal of the day? Yes, breakfast. So we write here breakfast. So this question is about meal. So first meal of the day which we take in morning is breakfast, right? So morning meal is breakfast. Number 2, afternoon meal. So here you can see the picture of sun. It means it is afternoon, and you can see second picture in which we are eating so many things, right? Which is this? You can see here chapatis and sabji and dal and buttermilk, salad, one sweet. So afternoon meal. So in afternoon when you come to school, you are eating food, and what we called it? We called it lunch break. It means afternoon meal is known as lunch. So I write here lunch. So second meal of the day, afternoon meal, lunch. Right? So here you can see the picture of lunch which we take in afternoon. Now let's see our third question, meal at night. Here you can see the picture of night. So in evening or in night we are taking this meal. You can see here that there is a darkness, right? So you can see the home in which there is light. It means in night we all are taking dinner, right? So here you can see the answer dinner, and what we are eating? We are eating this type of meal. You can see here bhakri. So what is different between lunch and dinner? We are eating chapatis in lunch and we are eating bhakri in dinner, meal at night. So what we take in dinner? We are taking proper meal like lunch, right? So here you can see the answer, meal at night. We take dinner at night. So 3 meals of the day, which are they? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Meal of the day, right? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. So this is our third given word. So what we learn today? Today we write exercise, which are they? True or false, and give one word. So now you can understand that what we learned today, and I hope you all enjoy. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.